Gary, a hard-fought 3 points for you.
Yeah, tough. Briton Ferry are on a good run, so we knew it was going to be tough. And first half, nothing in it, I didn't think. Not a lot of opportunities, but a couple for each of us, so first half could have gone anyway.
Andy, that seemed to be a tight game that just got away from you in the end.
Yeah, it felt, to be honest with you, that both teams were content when there was no one really creating chances in the first half, and there was not a lot in the game, but nobody really brave enough to go and try and win the game as well. And then obviously we hit the self-destruct button. Hwlffordd West was, really well disciplined, and I've just waited for that error, and they've pounced on it, scored, and then they've taken the game away from us.
Ben, a hard-fought win there.
Yeah, I thought the lads run really hard today, same as Met, the last win we got. Great start to the second phase now.
That's 2 wins out of 2 for phase 2. It's also the first time you've won games back-to-back this season.
Oh, I didn't know that, but yeah, so then it's a good way to start phase 2. Obviously not just that, the performances have been outstanding. I thought if saw Met and saw today, I thought there was deserved winners both games, and there's some great shifts, like I said just then.
Yeah, how frustrating is it to have seen the goals come from mistakes rather than from the opposition?
Yeah, it's our own doing, isn't it? We can't complain. They're silly, and as the game went on, then as I say, it got tougher and tougher for us, to be honest with you. We've obviously tried to make a couple of changes to try and get ourselves back in it, and yeah, taken away from us.
I'm sure you will have been pleased to see Hwlffordd back on the pitch for you after his layoff, but he had a chance to equalise towards the end there. Probably your best chance of the game.
Well, he's got to score. It's that simple. He's got to score. So listen, it's great that we've got Corey back. It's a threat for us. Corey got to get himself up to speed now. A good Hwlffordd gets himself up to speed, sticks that away. So that's on Corey to do. But yeah, we're getting more and more players back, which is only going to help us. But if we're going to make mistakes like that, then it's going to get tough, innit?
How important was a win this evening in the context of that race for 7th? It's all so tight there still.
Well, it's not so much for 7th. I just think the win's important. To come to somewhere like Briton Ferry, who are really strong at home, and win. It's a real big win, not just for the 3 points, but for confidence as well.